Hey y'all, and welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm in the mood for a good hot sub. Went out to a local restaurant just the other night and they had a thing on the menu called a steak bomb. Personally, I've never had a steak bomb, but it looked and sounded delicious because somebody ordered one and I seen it and I'm like, I think I want one of those. But I figured I'll make it myself and I'll make it my way, season it my way. Gonna be super simple, won't take a whole lot to put this together, I don't think. You can see what I went to the grocery store and I picked up. It's gonna be very simple, basic things. That being said, I don't know really what all goes on a steak bomb. I mean, I did read the menu and see kind of what they put, and I'm kind of going by that basis, but I'm gonna change up a little bit with some flavorings here. Something they probably don't put on theirs and I'm gonna put on mine. So go on and fire up that Blackstone and get it heating up because I'm ready for a delicious hot sub. But we need to go ahead and prep up a few things, get everything ready while that griddle's heating up. Now, a couple things I need to point out is I was gonna use bell peppers, but I seen these at the store, these little mini sweet peppers, and I figured, I think I'd like that better. I actually found some shaved ribeye steak. I'm real thin, as you can see. It's not thick at all. Perfect for what I'm looking for. And of course, I had to have mushrooms. So now let's go ahead and just get everything ready. Let's just slide some of the stuff out of the way. And I already did slice up my bread here. I did do that. The mushrooms are already sliced also. And we got some mozzarella cheese, and I figured provolone would be good on it too. But right now, we don't need all that. What we need is to cut these up. So break out a handy dandy knife. And I think I'm just gonna come in here. I'm gonna leave the seeds and everything in. And just we'll come in here and just give it a rough dice, I guess you'd say. I don't even know how many peppers I'm gonna need. Probably not many for just one sub. Yeah, I think that's looking pretty good there. Let's just give this a rough chop right here. Nothing fancy. Because you don't have to be fancy here. I mean, we're just cooking in the backyard. Make it like you want. If you want to leave these things whole in rings like that, that is fine. But I also like the color that this will possibly give. A little more chop. I see a couple big pieces still left in there. I think that'll work right there. I think that will work. But you know what I forgot? I forgot something to put this on. Yeah, walk of shame, fixing to happen. I'll be back. And I'm back. Got some plates now, some dishes, if you will. So we'll just take these peppers here. We'll just rake them down into this dish. There we go, good enough. Clean them up a little bit, there we go. That's done. Let's do some yellow onion next. I don't need all of this. So we're just gonna come here and just dice up some of this. We don't need a whole lot. That'll probably be more than enough right there. Probably more than enough. Grab another plate. Get our onion over here. See, I don't do much prepping on this channel, and maybe I need to. Let me know if you want to see more prep. Normally, I'll go ahead and prep everything inside and bring it out, and it's already diced up, already chopped up. But if you want to see more of this prep, hey, let me know in the comments. The steak. Now, I'm kind of debating whether I go ahead and cut this up or not, or leave it that way and just kind of rip it up as it cooks. And just kind of go that route. I think that's what we'll do. I think we'll just kind of cut this up as it cooks and just see where it goes. So that's it. So now I think everything is pretty much prepped. Yep, looks that way. Let's go check on that griddle. Well, there's that white smoke. That means it's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. Throw a little bit of oil and get these veggies and stuff going. I'll go over here on this side with this. I do think I'm gonna turn this side down to low. I had it on a medium. I think I'll go to low on this. Let's get these mushrooms on here. These onions. And these peppers. Oh yeah, this griddle's hot. But man, it's smelling good. These peppers and onions, I love peppers and onions on a griddle. Nothing like that smell. We'll kind of slide them over right in their little cooler area. I don't think I'm gonna need all of this steak, but I'm gonna cook most of it, and hey, I got more sub rolls, so I need to make more. So let's go ahead and just throw this steak down here. I think, let's go with 5. I like a good meaty steak. Now, I don't know if this is normal for a steak bomb, but I'm pulling Worcestershire, whatever kind of sauce this is, we're gonna put some on the steak right here. All right, let's hit the veggies too, why not? Now, I'm gonna use this High Plains steak by Blackstone on this for some seasoning on this steak. Yeah. Man, that's smelling good already. And I don't think it's gonna take this steak long at all to cook. I do think I'm gonna cut this steak up. And that's a good thing about a Blackstone. With a steel top like this, you can cut directly on here. Well, at least I think I can. There we go. Looks a lot better. Lot better. Spread it out, let it cook them for a minute. Check on these veggies. Oh, they're already starting to get sauteed and get nice and translucent, looking good. Man, this steak right here is smelling so good and looking even better. With these veggies over here, y'all. Man, these peppers and onions and the mushrooms and that Worcestershire sauce in it. Man, this griddle is smelling right now. So I think now that everything's really close to being done, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all together, add some cheese into this mixture, and we're gonna start building this thing. I mean, it's just that quick, y'all. You know, I think that over a bowl of rice would be really good. Let's come in here with this mozzarella cheese now. I don't know about you, but I like a meaty, cheesy steak bomb. At least I think I do. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn the whole griddle down to low. I want everything on low. Man, look at that cheese. That's what I'm talking about. So now, let's go ahead and kind of size it up to our bun. I think we are gonna need pretty much most of this, ain't we? Let's just go ahead and use all of it. What falls out, falls out. Looks good to me. I almost forgot. Let's put this provolone cheese on here now. Like so. Now top with this bread. And we'll just let that cook for a little bit. Kind of steam that bread, melt that cheese down, and make this thing good. Man, this sandwich right here is coming together quick, fast, and in a hurry. Look at them peppers sticking out down there. Yeah, buddy. Can't wait to try this one out. Well, the moment of truth has arrived, and it's time to take this thing up off the griddle. Let's put down our cutting board here. Let's see if we can get this sandwich up. Oh, look at that, y'all. Yeah, buddy. That is a sandwich. That thing is huge. Oh, it's so good. Take it over here, let it cool down for a second, check it out. Now, before the thing cools down too much, I think I want to add just a little bit more of this mozzarella on it. Maybe it'll melt down, maybe it won't. We'll see. Either way, this is a monster of a sandwich. Man, look at this. I mean, there ain't no way you're gonna pick it up and eat it like that. Because, man, this is a huge, that bun is so soft. Look at that, y'all. Look at that meatiness. I mean, meat's just falling out everywhere. I don't even know what to do with this. We prop it up. See if I can't get a good, pretty picture of it. And show y'all up close, and we're gonna try it out. Now, I don't know about you. This looks real close to what the steak bomb came out at the restaurant the other night looked like. But I do believe, I mean, I didn't try theirs, but I do believe mine's gonna have more flavor. And it might not be the prettiest sandwich I've ever took off this Blackstone, but I do believe it's gonna be full of flavor. At least I hope it is anyhow. I say we quit looking at it and we try it out. What y'all think? So there it is, steak bomb. And what was funny is I think this is like $11 sandwich up there at that restaurant. I put it together for $3 to $4, maybe. Because I got a lot more steak left, more peppers left, all that. I can make 2 or 3 of these for $11, easy. So anyhow, go ahead and talk about this thing because I can smell it up under my nose right now. I got to try this out. That's a bite. Man. I get a paper towel. Y'all, that is amazing. That is full of flavor. And before anybody comes at me about, oh, it's a cheesesteak, this don't taste anything like a cheesesteak. Nothing like a cheesesteak. Maybe a steak and cheese, but we're gonna call it a steak bomb. It's delicious. That Worcestershire sauce and that high plain steak, perfect on that steak. Perfect on them veggies. I like the veggies in here. Me personally, I think I should maybe put some jalapenos, diced jalapeno, and kind of spice things up just a little bit. But the sweet peppers and the onions really do work well. The mushrooms, perfect. Great addition to that. Let me know in the comments down below, would you change up? I would love to know what you'd add, take away, do different. But honestly, if you make it like this, I think you're going to be really, really, really pleased with it because this is really good. So with that, I got to take the other half inside. Michael's wanting to eat. He's waiting on this thing. I don't know why he won't come out here right now. He's just being lazy today, I guess. Want me to bring the food to him, but that's okay. Either way, I'm going to. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please share it out. If you're looking for some other videos you may not see on these long form right now, if you like the shorts, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram. We're on TikTok, and we have a shorts playlist here on YouTube in case you're interested in any of that. So we got a lot of other content out there you may not see if you're only watching these long form videos. We'd love to have you watching the shorts also. If you have any suggestions, anything you'd like to see me try to make, leave it down below. We'd love to do it. But with that, I got to head this in while it's still hot, and we'll see you next time.